What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over this braking or swerving type situation, and then we're going to be talking about what should you not do while riding a motorcycle, plus a little demo in the parking lot. So let's take a quick look at this. So we're riding with a bunch of friends, a little power wheelie, a little fun, and we're in upstate New York, applying a lot of brake pressure.
At this moment that he knew.
No good. So I think it was a collide or a collision, and then we're going off-road. I think that's the end of that. Okay, let's take a quick look at this. Let's figure out what happened. So we're in a group ride. We're at an intersection. Remember, we were talking about planning our ride this whole time. We're trying to figure out what it is that we need to be doing. Positioning for safety, locating hazardous situations, and assessing relevant threats. Let's go ahead and keep that up there. Navigate active threats. So we're going to talk about kind of that red stage where you see on the end, it is red. So red stage, we are action time. We're on high alert. We have to do something. We have to swerve. We have to emergency brake. We have to emergency accelerate. So we're either swerving left or right, accelerating out of it, decelerating out of it. So we have to do something. So we're coming up to here. This is the person that's going to be the one that's going to crash. And this is the one that's going to be doing the wheelie. So far, not too bad. Now, here's the thing. Everyone's accelerating, okay? So we're already getting ourselves in that mindset of let's just accelerate. Our buddy's going to do a power wheelie, but we're trying to keep up because it's fun. We're having fun. You know, he accelerates, I accelerate. Boom, boom, boom. And you're not riding your own ride, so we're not positioned for safety there, okay? And we're not really looking for hazardous situations. Okay, we got up to here. Cool. We're all going the same speed. The camera guy is actually accelerating still. Doesn't realize this person's going to slow down, so we have to now slow down. When he slows down, he seems to be the one leading the charge on a lot of these things. We're not riding what we should be doing. So hard deceleration. This person was accelerating to keep up to that power wheelie. Their assumption was we're accelerating fast. We're just going to haul ass. We're just going to go. And then the guy slams the brakes. Now, we can kind of get over that by talking on our cardos, which links in the description, and kind of telling each other stuff, but I don't think that we're going to tell each other stuff here. So at this point, what's happening with this person? We have to do something, okay? Remember, locating a hazardous situation. We have to assess if it's a relevant threat, and we have to navigate it now at this point. So we can swerve left, swerve right, we can accelerate into them, that's not a good one, or we can decelerate, which he's trying to do, and it's just not going to be enough. We don't have enough total stopping distance between here and there. That's really it. So at this point, when you start to run out of that total stopping distance, you have to swerve right. I think I'm on the screen right, and swerve left. Okay, so you have to do something. You can't be like, well, I'm just going to apply the brakes and hopefully stop. That's typically like a car driver's mentality where slam the brakes because they can't swerve because it's such a huge vehicle. We're on motorcycles. We have room right here and we have room down here around this smaller object. We can swerve left. There you go, left, and swerve right, and that's what we should be doing here. Okay, make the quick judgment, and the only way you're going to make those quick judgments is if you're out in the parking lot practicing your swerves, or you're out on the street, pick like a manhole cover, or pick a discoloration in the road, go straight for it, swerve. Go straight for the next thing, swerve. And all you're doing is swerving from like lane position, you know, the middle to the left or middle to the right or right to the middle. It's not a crazy swerve. It's just, we're just kind of almost dancing with the bike, getting used to the feeling of making adjustments real quick when we need it because something else told us we had to do it, not just because we're just dancing with the bike. One thing you can do is practice your smart rider drills too. So right here, already locked up, release those brakes, swerve to the right, swerve to the left. Do something. Gotta do something. So there's that impact. Now, here's the thing. Now that we failed at the smart rider principles, okay, we didn't do these things. Hopefully we have gear. So I think that person has gear. Okay, very good. Now, let's say they got hurt with or without gear. Hopefully our buddies are rescuing each other. Okay, hopefully you have rescue pack. There you go, not the kit. There you go. Come on, zoom in. Anyways, comes with the rescue card, comes with everything for bleeding control, comes with the rescue booklet. Make sure you guys grab one. It comes with it, so if you order the rescue pack, boom, you got one. But that's why we're supposed to be rescuing each other. And then this whole video is teaching us out here in the MTC Rider Academy. So with all that knowledge, planning your ride, just swerve if you have to, because braking's not always going to be the thing that you can do. So we're going to go out into the parking lot. We're going to practice our body position, do the bootlace, and we're going to be talking about what you should not be doing after that. So stay tuned, grab a donut, and let's head out.